In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up online banking with NorthOne, offering a full tutorial to ensure you can navigate the process smoothly. Let's dive in and get you started with confidence. Firstly, you'll want to begin by accessing the NorthOne platform. This can be done either through their website or the mobile app. Simply navigate to northone.com, and once you're there, you'll see an option that says Open Now. Clicking on this will guide you to the necessary steps. Alternatively, if you prefer to use your smartphone, you can download the NorthOne app. It's available on both iOS and Android, ensuring accessibility regardless of your device preference. Once you've accessed the platform, you'll need to create your online banking account. Begin by entering your business email. It's important to choose one you check frequently, as NorthOne will use this for verification purposes. After entering your email, the next step is to create and confirm a password. Make sure it's strong and secure to protect your financial data. Following this, check your email for a message from NorthOne, which will contain a confirmation link. Clicking this link will verify your email address, allowing you to continue setting up your account. After your email is confirmed, you'll need to input some essential business information. This includes your business name, address, and type, whether you're an LLC, sole proprietor, or another entity. Make sure these details are accurate, as they form the basis of your business profile. You will also need to provide either your employer identification number, EIN, or your social security number, SSN, along with your contact details. This information helps verify your business identity and ensures compliance with legal requirements. The next important step is verifying your identity. For this, you'll need to upload a photo ID. Acceptable forms of identification include a driver's license or passport, so make sure you have these documents ready. Additionally, if requested, you may need to upload relevant business documents to further validate your business. This verification process usually takes about 1 to 2 days, so do ensure you have everything submitted correctly to avoid delays. And that's it! Once your identity has been successfully verified, you'll be all set with your NorthOne online banking account. If at any point you have questions or encounter issues, NorthOne offers customer support to assist you. Setting up online banking can open up a new level of convenience for managing your business finances. So congratulations on taking this step and enjoy the seamless experience NorthOne provides. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. Be sure to check out more of our guides to help simplify your business operations, and as always, feel free to share your experiences or queries in the comments below.